What are you doing?
Taking a shower.
So this is Haven Reese. We are in the old Manilla building. We got permission, and go look around. We'll start with the gym. Dude, this is. Remember when we got yelled at in here? We had like assembly. Oh my god, there's a freaking mattress right there. You know this, when we go into rooms we've never been in, don't touch that mattress. That mattress is probably has AIDS all over it.
Okay.
Here is, that door's open. I think this is Mr. Struve's old band room.
Oh yeah.
Dude, there's a ton of beer over there. Mr. Struve, what were you doing?
That's a beer.
This is not, like, this feels weird.
Oh yeah.
I don't like the feeling of this at all. That goes outside.
Huh?
You remember lining up for recess and going outside that way?
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is... Oh. The walls. Oh. You don't realize how many memories this brings back right now.
Oh.
There's the front entrance. No, this wasn't the front entrance. This is the side. This is our hallway we were. Dude, it still smells like our hallway. Hey, there's my truck. You remember when it always smelled like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Be careful. Oh, my God. It's a library.
Oh my god.
Dude, they took all the... This door's wet. Don't touch that door. This is a library. What the fuck's in there? Yo. Fucking, we might have to...
I think this is the roof. Maybe.
No, but this is
No.
a strange room. I've never seen that room before.
Soup books. That's good.
I ain't touching that door. Dude, they took all the cubbies out.
Okay, someone had Burger King here.
This is the extra, like, study hall room. You know how old this school is when they still got chalkboard. Here's all the books. Oh, dude, this ceiling collapsed. Oh.
Yep.
All right. This is a. Oh, whose room was this? I think it was just another extra room. I don't know.
This is a computer.
Yeah, this is the computer room. Yeah, I think this room was Mrs. Dryer's. That's Mrs. Dalton's room. Mrs. Shaman's down there. Mrs. Lindy. Here's Mrs. Dalton's room. Dude, this room was.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember the chalkboards being there though. This is Miss Dalton's. Yeah, this is like. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. And this is Mrs. Dryer's room. Yeah, this is definitely Mrs. Dryer's room. I remember these. There's computers lined up right there. Desk. Hello, class. Bob was here.
Oh, cool. Oh wow. There's actually still markers here? What the fuck?
Here, can you put that lid back on for me? Dude, I remember these old ass TVs. This is. Those markers suck. These markers have been here forever. Kinda hope I locked my truck. Oh, I almost just ran into insulation. Sub to PewDiePie.
Yeah.
See that right there? Sub to PewDiePie. We got BT gay.
Oh yeah.
This is a closet, dude. This is. And that's how we got to recess too. Was this the girls? Girls' restroom.
Oh, no.
Damn it.
Girls don't have penises.
Here we go. Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, jeez.
She's like, someone forgot to use the cat line.
Someone pissed in the sink.
Stain.
This is Mrs. Shaven's. I think there's still a door. Yeah, because there's this wall and there's a door back here. Dude, this ceiling is freaking rip. Where'd it go? I thought there was a door back here.
Maybe they got rid of it. Or,
Well, maybe there wasn't a door there. Oh, this is a couple of years ago. Dude. We still got upstairs. We got... Oh, dude, I think Mrs. Lindy had the biggest room.
oh, yeah.
She
This is Mrs. Lindy.
She definitely did. Yeah, because her whiteboard was here. Her desk was here. This was like her storage. These freaking lights, though, are cool. There's my twuck again. Damn.
Ladies of the paranormal.
How did they?
What's this?
Dr. Thunder.
I never.
They still had the foam caddies. Oh my god. Alright, let's keep going. Dude, I remember exactly where my cubby was. Is that weird? My cubby was like in this area right here. Because I remember my first hour was Mrs. Dalton. Then I go to math. No, math third hour.
I don't know where mine was.
No, it was Mrs. Dalton to Mrs. Lindy. That's all I remember is my first two periods.
I think mine is downstairs.
Downstairs.
Right?
Oh yeah, that's right, there isn't. Oh god.
Ow. I stepped on something wet.
I think the main entrance is over here. Oh, there's a closet. Yeah, here's the main entrance. Let's go to the girls' bathroom. This is the room that they said the window is open in. Look for an open window. They said there was an open window here.
I've never been in.
I think Mrs. Bottled water $1.
Wait, are these?
Okay, who's drinking beer in here?
Yeah, these chip bags are full. Probably expired.
Dude,
Oh yeah.
they are definitely dead.
9th of October.
They are definitely gone.
Get out of here.
Here was Mrs. Whitson's office. Someone's sleeping in here.
Okay.
Dude, I do not feel okay. People were sleeping in here.
I mean, if you don't have a house.
This is the printer. There's like a basement somewhere. I heard there was...
the secretaries.
Dude, look how small. I'm nearly touching the ceiling. This is a small... Looks like there's a basement here. Fuck that. I am not going down there.
Shoot the light down
Fuck that. I am not going down there. Dude, look how much mold and crap is down here.
Oh, there's a couch. Oh.
Yeah, fuck that. I ain't going any more farther down here.
Oh.
Yeah, no. Nope.
Yeah, no.
Fuck that. We're leaving this. Go back to nurses. I feel safe in here. Fuck that.
Yeah, no. Sorry.
Nope. I love my fans, but that's just pushing it too far. What? There's a fake gun here.
Oh, I mean. Oh, it's a bit.
I would not touch that. That has probably so much disgusting stuff on it.
It's just a gun, and I can always wash my hands and take a shower.
We probably need one of those for some of these. This is Mrs. Moosefeld's room. Where is it?
Whoa. Hold up.
Was it? Dude, someone who was in here was a heavy smoker. Oh. Oh, there's all our trophies. My shirt is wet from sweat. There's all our trophies. I remember taking a class, so I had to freaking Photoshop all those. Alright. What is this room? That's the bathroom. Let's go upstairs. I don't know, but that downstairs did not feel right. That at all. I took one look, I was like, yep, nope.
Why are these all wet?
Because it's rain from the thing. We're probably gonna get seriously sick. What the fuck? Where did these go? That's, oh, I know whose room this. No, was it? No, this isn't her room. Ow, my feet really hurt. Pretty sure I stepped on one of those things. And Mrs. Moose felt like actual big ass rooms down there. What the heck?
Pepsi.
202. This is probably just an empty room. Des Moines Paranormal. We should come here at night. No, fuck that. That basement was already like.
Oh yeah.
They took all the lockers out too. This is Mr. Blake's room.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
Smells pretty nice.
smells like. Surprised it doesn't smell like coffee anymore. Oh, I got Snapchat.
Oh,
Grading scale. Whose room is this? Ventures Paranormal 2014.
2017.
Oh, 20, sorry, I don't know how to read. There's the stairway. Stairway goes to a different room. 3 songs are real. Change volume. At IKMA. This was the computer room.
Oh.
You remember this room was like packed full of computers?
Oh. That's why there's so many plugins.
Yeah, this was the computer room. They took all the lockers out too. That kind of makes me mad.
I'm like, what the heck?
Dude, this part stinks. Whose room is this?
No.
I don't know whose room this was.
It smells disgusting.
Yep, let's go. That room legitimately stunk. This is Mr. Blankman's. This was the lab. Well, his room didn't collapse. But some of these floors do feel sketchy though. Like. No.
Jenny.
And Denny. Oh, how cute.
I like Denny's.
Someone drew a wiener on the board, or at least I think that's a wiener.
Let me see. That one?
Yeah.
No, that's a squid.
Oh.
Or jellyfish.
Either way. Someone forgot to put back in the block for Minecraft. I bet this was the lab. Was it? I don't think this is the lab. No, this was not the lab. This is Mrs. Moosefeld's big ass closet.
Jesus.
Manilla schoolhouse. Yeah, this is Mrs. Moosefeld's because I remember that sink. Another block for some reason. 69. So the lab was. I know there was a lab near here. Maybe it's upstairs.
Upstairs. Let's get this.
All these floors are wet.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Yeah, this looks dark. This is the lab, right here. Here's the lab. This is Blankman's room. Well, his roof is caving in.
Where do you see that?
Right there.
Oh.
Dude, I never realized how much chalkboard we have in here. This is a lab. Oh my god, it smells like ass. I bet there's a ton of chemicals though. calcium carbonate, hydro acid.
Oh, nice.
Dude, there is a lot of chemicals in a fish tank. I'm already sick, so this is probably not helping my case. Freaking TVs. Whoa, I don't remember this classroom. Another Minecraft block missing.
Yep. Oh, there's a caution ribbon on it. Ooh.
What the heck?
Oh,
That's pretty cool.
I like it. Jack Rose.
Dude, they're like cowboys. Ooh, farted. Ooh, that floor is cracking bad. This room doesn't smell too bad. It smells like a classroom. I can't believe they actually let us inside. Dude. Do you think some of these things can still charge my phone?
Maybe.
Yeah, fuck that room. I can't many wolves. Oh, I know this room. This was the room for like special ed stuff.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm in right now.
I don't remember going to. There's a lot of rooms. Jesus, Manny. Jeez. Luke Bryan. Boys. Bradley Gilbert. Call me. Stop writing on the boards.
No.
Stop writing on the boards as he writes on the board.
Hey, Tegan. It's been here.
Tegan. Penis.
That's your number. 654-6807.
Oh, call me right here.
Oh.
Make sure you give them a buzz. Give them a buzz. Oh, here's a big one right here. See if you can read that. 712
267.
918. I think it's an 8.
No, 9198.
9198. Yep. These big ass TVs. I'm surprised those aren't broken. I think Mrs. Book's room is right here. Yeah, this is her room.
Oh my god.
Dude.
No, this is the English room. Because I remember being in here.
Are you sure? I'm pretty sure Miss Book had this thing. Because Miss Book was over here.
No, I don't remember who was over here, but somewhere, I don't know. I forget. Oh, Fruits class is coming up.
Dude, this is.
Jesus, why is this big?
Fuck that, I ain't going up that ladder. Yeah, exactly. These were the English rooms. Right here, this is English.
Dustin.
Dustin was here.
Alright.
No ghost. I'm gonna say there is. Some of these rooms feel pretty sketchy. Another Minecraft block. Alright, that's
I think these were the.
no, because
No.
that was English.
This is-
No, it wasn't, because Miss Book. But you know what? We'll probably have a debate in the comments about what room's which. Of course, we take the darkest hallway possible. There's a rubber glove.
Nice.
There's some other rooms I want to check, like the kitchen. I want to check the kitchen out.
It's your footsteps.
What room is this? Was this the bathroom?
Yeah.
Smells like one.
Oh, locker room. No, bathroom.
I have to get pissed speaking of bathroom. I don't think we've been this way yet, but I think they locked this one.
Yeah, they locked it.
Yeah. Icy room. This room was weird. Ooh, look at that room over there. I just took a blown. Sort of like, dude, there's an old TV here. I mean, old computer.
Ooh, computers. Wow. They used to make really good computers. Nope, doesn't turn on.
Well, I wonder why, but they cut all power.
Or it's unplugged.
Yeah, that too. That room looks hella sketchy over there, though.
You already know.
Get out the phone.
Well, the server room is where all the internet is. Oh.